Na ene usoro na pa se wohwe TV na yamkra hihyew ena na pa amewi ena
Ebusianfo aha Ghana TV GH. Mesra will like, a comment, subscribe, then no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded to be notified. Ebusianfo K Adinkrah a journalist bia very popular Ghana and well respected. They say oye juma wo pure FM any TV Kumasi. Matikra say our PhD. Na K Adinkrah no ngofo bebre essay or yeah, very realistic journalist. I think say both sides of the divide, MPP and DC. Maximum respect given to him. I don't have any problem. Myself, over time, watching, say now say carry out the show, say now say carry out himself, I think say I also admire and respect him, the professionalism. But beyond that, there we can admire and respect your professionalism. But so okay, sembina, frankly, me dream say I dissent. I would also put across my view forcefully, right? Now, K Adinkrah say he doesn't understand why. Say party back where we buy more. I say nkrofo more opposition, more bompa say. Sa party I wa buy mo be faili so that next time be to aba ama omonso na omako aban mo enti o pa kire say ase nkofo amoye sa ade no na omudwin sa no omoye nation workers and say omumpe omani ye anka sema okadi anka enukre. I mean, everyone have the interest of Ghana at heart, and that must be the most important thing for everybody. So mine ebe tupo or mine obe kwenim. Nanso, nibisa K Adinkrah say, was he in this country between 2017 to 2024? Na K Adinkrah wa mine wemo. Se K Adinkrah ewa mine wemo. And he will realize, say, what MPP is even doing now in opposition cry a small. To forward. She. And a brana NPP our power mono. NDC for 9 years wish keke, no yes some wish keke say, yen fail you. They were taking steps actually to make us fail. Yeah. Especially after 2020. Ebra will hang parliament now. When we were supposed to pass legislations, Speaker Gbagben, Pa Oko Dubai. And it was all calculated. Because on him say Oko de Biano, a tilting abes no be equal. Right? Otimiba no a genic parliament. Indefinitely. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, that was just an aspect. His Excellency John Dramani Ankasa as opposition leader. Ade biara niwa oba President Anase MPP beya oba supported. To the extent say even drone delivery of medication krano NDC fought make us a drone we diba abecha ma omujare pictures, naked pictures. That is what NDC said about drones that were procured to be sending medications to hard-to-reach areas. Say the Betran for naked pictures or mujaria. And they did all of this. And even more, E-Levy, Ebebano, NDC4 were consulted. Omuko several meetings mo. Last meeting omu yeye ewo Kempiski Hotel, Kulkos Hotel. And in that meeting, omuji tum say, "Adia we ebe supporti because omino hians aska we ought to sustain our economy." Omupi everyone, they came to do as if they didn't know. They have never heard about anything like that. They delayed it for 7 months. Yeah, delay it for 7 months. NDC for a bra yesi o yen pesa yen fa ensanko IMF bill enti mun boy na yen pass some legislations nintentem no omo se there be because omo so call IMF enti yeso yen say yen call IMF right enti me be so e pa Kwame Adinkrah ebra nyama wo nyina si na wo hen fa na wo hwe ukaden fa ho na nkasa se won kasa ye dia ende ne ade na ukasa ade na uti ade na ye dede me see dia MPP 4 years say dia enye hwe they just wishing uko parliament sometimes me bukrat me fu NDC for omudi law ba legislation ba na MPP for aboa mu no ma fine tune eto de bia na me feel say minority leader penyo mark and cry oni majority for dia grododo when your opposition no enti mutomobo journalist for mutomobo why now very soon I'm share the actual opposition work the chart that says that he will not stop crying or will not allow the mother to sleep that child will also not sleep no let's go and listen to a conversation by Kwame Adinkrah that I just responded to. But before then, Ebusian for your studio, here more assistance. Total cost 25,000 Ghana cedis. We record dollars around $2,300 US. Kitwa bien so support us. Let's do this together. Now let's go and watch a video.
Na and na usoro na pa se wo hwe TV na Gyamfi hihyew. And down the pair maybe, and I'm seeing share a scene I hear the echo. Chase, and a prior fuel epicostro, and away epicostro. Dear, she lawyer, also she shows her.
Oh, David.
Okay.
But she should be any home.
Okay.
TV can medical chair at Tifo. Vesancha President Mahamane, Napam for the boom, my party penny for general mosquito seedon katia, and 10%. We share price of goods and meter million motor car gas price na number 120 because selling in upper from 75 and others. Into we share your foreign reserve that time now is hovering around 3 months of import. Now we've been able to increase it to about 5.7 months. And the government is working to increase it to at least 15 months by 2028, which is equivalent to about 42.3 billion Ghana cedis. And I mean, we share your trade balance is now positive. And we have our current accounts, which is hovering around 750 million. On a month-to-month basis, we are earning about trade balance of about close to 1 billion. We share your fuel at there now. Now, the government is moving away from the previous era of, relying on global spot market and influencing our price. And the time the price goes up by, say, 10%, Ghana's price will go up by almost 30% because we didn't have the shock absorbers to handle the challenge. But now we have that. With Central Oil Refinery now working and taking care of about 30% of our demand in Ghana.
And then supply air told,
No, yeah, Tor, they are different.
Okay.
Tor, together with Tor, they are contributing about 40% to the Ghanaian consumption. So the focus is now on increasing our strategic reserve. And I think the fear that we shouldn't be so much panicking because, what is happening, people are projecting that fuel price could go to 17 cities. But if you look at the world market, yesterday that the price went to almost 120. It has come down to 90. Around 90 or even below 90 this morning. So those headlines should be standard we should focus on. If you look at the MPA, the last price fall that they face is around 10.4 for petrol and then 11 for diesel. So those are the prices that we should focus on. As lawyers, we deal with evidence and not anxiety. We don't focus so much on headlines. We focus on our attention on impact. The G7 ministers, finance ministers, plus international, put every.
I think. I feel Ghana.
Well, I think hour of electricity on production.
Akramfo atechi amoa akwa bawaga na memu asofo akohwifu amugu Ghana amusi nyankopon na yi kirema amuse John Mahama kwahwe abasansanyi sisienyi konfutechi amoa ono no mbedi Ghana don wabao asofo mwehu ni oye Christian Council mwehu ni oye Assemblies of God mwehu ni oye Sam George no the House of Nasari nimpo ye friend is saying Sam George sorry ni friend mo saying
Perez Dom
osofo a wo share Sam George elder Yesu moja nka weni
enka nanim double
Perez Dom osofo a wo share Sam George elder Yesu moja nka weni
enka nanim double
Perez Dom osofo a wo share Sam George elder Yesu moja nka weni
enka nanim double
million times
enka no
na mo ya kronfo
eni abayifo
mudi ye nyang misum akatakata mani ena mabedane am robbers egu Ghana mainum ena mu hia Ghana Perez Dom mo collection na muji de bia Sam George de bramo eye Ghana fo moja eye koko ekuafo sun eye nurses sun eye teacher fo sun eye market women taxes sun Perez Dom asofwe mani ewu erade mpanish mo sasa bronsan fa mo nyina mo kehire nsua Ghana na mo ko mbubu mo ya kramfo dodo abomanfo of sakwan po ya friend say hey me rekre finidin sa papa bi na oso yosofo na nurse Mahama sunfun adaka bebrebe no afa de obeka so nyankopon se Mahama wasesa na adwenti Mahama edin sa papa ato no so no owusu bempa wanyim ye har owusu pempa wanyim ye har apo wo huma wo aye nkonkon de proko de wurum munyina amese sasa brunsa monfa mo keshiro yemfa Israel ensima pampem Donald Trump wi a no de bomba betum emuwa muni munyansa pasia kwa mabegu Ghana na mobo Ghana mind form moba ma Ghana youth bre nansu munhu John Mahama wenyina echi ni wakoye cake the gold that itale ho because moba se mo be ria gold na wo yire na ne to aye fuse nechi no abegina esu de ne tiato abetiti se ne akwala bia wako school no bi age ne topic akra nyehia fefle fukeni and this if one more jifwa hey Sam George wabu bose kankebi wune wuti wutumi bedi na nadu atem wune wuti ukase nanadu should not leave the country abua nanadu orie ni tem na rie no when say nanadu wakwat baby mpo edi more than 2 months when who say nanadu we tu ni tu efi Ghana wo si kronfo no ana okọ opposition ayeye bibi a on baase no when say nanadu onim nyansa na oyo badwuma no nim so no onye Ghana bone on bo Ghana krononti tambia bibi a ye bi obaase wo ho fi what Sam George bala wo shege na niama shege
ni ufi
menyamelo fiafito Sam George baby cry wo fi wala tano sanko wo kotna parliament e bi say my parents are here ask my parents as for me when I say I'm going to do something I do Sam George nyeme Sam George wo mama no papa amehia funkani Sam George wo mama no papa omo ya kromfo na omo de awo na wo di bebu Ghana my boni hey Miss Ghana youth mon sorry na ye munti na nanado ni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi ade omo nkwa beto ho ma Ghana na John Mahama aba na obu Ghana bukata omo jia Ghana japade nyina adeko mon sorry Miss mo aye di glue ashama no na yes ye ma mon kasa biem no teacher for nurses hwan Miss mon kope bintu chirebu ngu black bags mo na mo ko gina long distance na mo tutu ko Jubilee
Money omo. Yes. Mun to the Ghana Airways money
mo
omo.
tutu go Jubilee
Yeah.
because mo ban ho ani ebechi mo na mo
Yes.
ban ho na mo tutu go nobody can do you fuck.
That's all. Mun tutungu oni na nse oni na mo.
And drones ya didi agro come mo ko gina elwak mo fry drone Saturday morning say mo di agro na mo ko bomb ho with bin
Yeah, shit bombs. Mom shit bombs.
Ghana mine na nyane dia.
Yeah.
Omo ambasa Ghana no omo ba be fa Ghana say eyomo japade. Ibrahim Mahama ya no ho say yi sunsunu wa fa ase. Why no ho say sunsunu wa fa ase. Jo Mahama wo ma ho afiefi, wo ma ni pochi. Say emponche ni omatonso ohiem. Wa betina Ghana. Esan say wo manya papenti no. Wo pese obe say youth of Ghana nyina na omo ne o masuban be yepe. O free like you. Obi ba no be educate Ghana. Wo ba no be yi omo education nefio. Wo pese de bi omo jimi na wetumi a control omo anya sa. Sister,
you have just 1 minute remaining.
oh jai sa kanam de masembe ba also. Moba no ma be Ghana na mo sisi Ghana ma na do be educate Ghana. Moba no ma be ye education nefio because we wakot na BBC akokan say MPP for na ye elite na NDC for ni de omo ye mo bi keke. Enti wo no one person nipa be hu nyansenti no. De bi aba na wo say education wa Ghana. John Mahama onyan som
Double. Double.
At this
juncture, you know, at this juncture, in community, Janu no flow.
Ghana na mo she Ghana man akomfosa. Moti ho, moti opposition, mano yabi, choppy. Nanado obi cry say, obi ni pemu. So no, baby anyone san perform you know we be call munya standing ovation. Wujo Mahama, wo betina akonya so call ye no. Ekuro be mpo na ye invite you say be kan bibi wo ho. Bole ba mbo mpo ya mfra wo ho. Ofui. Ataje.
Lady see, ebra ba umi akọ kata na nsen ya. Twen you we dey Mr. Wama. Ba umi akọ kata na nsen ya problem ba yi. Omo wo ho na nkasa no I'm like I do have squad there ye chira kata ban ho pepre ne so obebo ba umi ho ba je say enya grow enya Ghana o enya Ghana for na na esa o we anka we omo dey be France no
Kevin talent no be jina ho be kan kwasi asem no
kata yes kata for president no pa
another dwarf Kevin Taylor another dwarf in the forest ono so sorry na obekikebi Kevin Taylor wo hu fi ata Weja na enyim nkonkon de gomu egom. Wona na enyim harda paper.
More fire.
Should be bata boost.
Mama Rose is crazy. Mama Rose.
Kwasiafo NDC for. Miss NDC for. Miss Monty me kosia diabo. Adichi bia meba miensa. Every day, my body am in sas.
Na mo man Rose ni flow. Na mo man more Rose. Na mo man Rose. Na
pomu dia every day 3 until this for you now the power so because I this for ya mwa and this for ya shimi for ya from mbuman. Sister Ghana as say ye new contest na ya catch Ghana man say sisi a ye ba be ye pool bi ejimi fo nyina ko one side ye to aba ye mfa mo to be because mo na mo shimi na mo ko fa kwasiafo ebegu yeso mo bedi yeso kwasia wo sam judge wo fo so ye nipa sin ye obi we abua wo poso nim nyansa wo bi barisa na nka ya bona ba wo chinchin so wa ya ye kunu na ya hye no abua
punchline queen punchline
omo ti Ghana ho omo ye den
punchline queen
sisi a wo fo amu Ghana mo ma ye NDC fo a omo jimi sama nhwe na mo ni o man kasa ye de ye ni brebe ba mo so because ye ntena wiase na mo mesisi kokko akuafo ye ntena wiase na mo mesisi amu akuafo ye ntena wiase na mo mesisi kashu akuafo ye ntena wiase na mo mesisi nice se jimi fo na mo so ye kasa twa mo ntie eni teacher fo na mo abum bon na mo hunyansa na
everybody go collect their own obi abegele there Obia bejene die.
Ponya for no mo koto aba fu ko fa jo Mahama ba ye no. Emwa Papa,
Eh.
when ran the first
And let me
episode,
show like
who
Jimmy
Jimmy
Sebo.